You know, everyone's confused about what to do with the other parts of the turkey you're not roasting, like the neck or the backbone if you spatchcock it. Well, what you're going to do is cut it into pieces and use it as the basis for a really great homemade gravy. So here's a little trick. You can do a double stock. I use better than bouillon. It needs to be really highly flavored. So after the turkey came out of the oven, we removed it, put it on a rack, and we had this lovely stock, this gravy base, because of all the vegetables and the drippings. So you simply put them into a chinois or a strainer, whatever you have. By the way, a spoon like this, a ladle, is a good thing to use because it's similar to the shape of the chinois, and just press through all that. And now we have the basis for an amazing gravy. I'm going to take the turkey pieces out, add this near the end, reduce it down like another 30-40%. We'll just strain it because there'll be some pieces of things. And then we'll make a quick slurry out of cornstarch to thicken. I like it on the thin side. I think it actually has more flavor. You know, you use the drippings from the turkey, but it also has the carrots and the celery and the rosemary. It has a lot of things going on, and it's absolutely delicious. So this Thanksgiving, focus on the gravy. That's the most important thing on the table.